Hey, yo, what's good, YouTube? We back here with another video, but as I'm saying, right now it's not time to do an intro, but we got a bird just flew into my crib, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I can't take this shit out. Like, this thing is behind the curtain, bro. Don't worry about them dirty dishes. Where's this nigga? See, that nigga just passed me right there. He's right there. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm dumb scared right now to go open the door. Like what the hell, cuh? Look at that.
What the hell?
What kind of bird is that, cuh? Can somebody tell me what kind of bird this is, bruh?
Come here,
This thing is
buddy.
scaring the shit out of me. Let's see if I can hear now. Yo, I wanna go open the door so this nigga, I wanna open the door so the nigga can come out. Look over here. Nigga just staring at me right now. What's good, my boy? You sturdy?
Wait.
Alright, yo, I'm gonna try. Yo. Hey, yo, Terrell. You scared, mud? Yo, go back. Yo, stay right there, alright? I'm trying to open the door. Open the door, nigga? What if I want to run in? Open the door, nigga. This nigga. You gonna come out, gig? Alright. Hold on. This nigga's right here, bro. Hell no. I could do it. Yo, bro. Yo. You always let me get cookie. I'm gonna pick that. Chill out, bro. Where's that nigga at? Yo, that nigga like, that nigga dead just flew at me, bruh. Terrell, you okay? Don't worry about the mess, y'all. I'm clean that later. Stop, bruh. Stop pushing me, geek. Oh, that nigga's right here. He's on the Christmas tree now. What the fuck? He's right here, bruh. What kind of bird is that? I don't know anything about birds. Like, time to open the door. The fuck, bro? Nigga, I'm trying to help you, bro. I don't want to kill a bird, bro. I'm trying to do good. If he come near me, I'm gonna hit him with this broom. Yo, what the hell?
Everyone has made it to the finish.
There you go. Yo, Terrell. Yo, Terrell, let's make a game plan. Come here. Yo, let's go. Listen, let's just go open the door, alright? You gonna go out there? You gonna take it down? Come here, bro. Okay, bro.
Everyone loves running in the rain. Come, Peppa, we're going again. But Daddy Pig really loves running in the rain.
Yo, that nigga's staring at me, bro.
They have very rough tummies.
Hey, yo, I got this. I'm a man. I am a man. Yeah, I'm a man. I'm a man. Hey, man. Yo, I'm not running from you. I'm not scared of you. Go back to where you come from, boy. Yo, I'm scared to open the door, bruh. I have to just read on my breath. Oh no, I need to hurry, bro. Release this. Gotta do the bird, bruh. Hold on. Hey. Probably y'all don't know where this bird came in, bruh. I don't know. shut up, bro. Hey, shut the fuck up, gang. Bifold, shut up. Go back. Move that youth. This thing is coming like Chucky. Nigga trying to kill me now. This nigga gonna eat my garlic, bro. Hey, bro, don't touch that garlic.
Buddy!
You said what, Terrell?
Buddy! Stop it, buddy!
It's a bird. It's a bird.
But Pete!
This thing is bugging. Come back, bro. Stay here, bro. You're messing me up. Stay where you're at. Back up, bro.
Let's get Buddy.
Stay right there. You scared of Birdie? Take the room. Go hit Birdie. Here. Go hit him.
Buddy!
Yeah, go hit him.
No, not him.
Give me this broom, man. Now he has all plans. Go outside the door. Yo, bro, the door is open, gang. Go through the door. The door is wide open, gang. You're closer. You're closer. Right here. Good job. Good. Okay, he left. Okay, this nigga, I think he flew away, y'all, but yeah, that was interesting. Thank y'all for watching the video, man. Catch y'all on the next one.